The Entrepreneur Program is designed to leverage your system. Your Markethive system is a market network, like a social network, but with powerful inbound marketing tools integrated into the system. Built on blockchain, making it secure, encrypted, decentralized, and autonomous. That means no one gets shadow banned, or terminated. We are a real, by-the-people, social system. This premier hybrid social network includes news feeds, blogging platforms, video channels, chat channels, groups, image sharing, link hubs, resume, profile page, and peer-to-peer commerce. But more than a social network, we have also delivered to you inbound marketing tools like broadcasting, capture pages, lead funnels, autoresponders, self-replicating group tools, traffic analytics, and a lot more. We have also included additional platforms for commerce, making Markethive the first market network first recognized in 2015 by TechCrunch. That being a social network, an inbound marketing platform, and a comprehensive commerce platform for conducting business. One being a for-hire service called Lancers, and the other for modern-day transactions called Markethive Exchange. Fueled with our own Markethive coin, delivering an Infinity Coin airdrop to all new subscribers, a tutorial system that pays you, and a social network that rewards you with coin for all activities, you have in your hands a system that would cost as much as $2,000 per month or more anywhere else if you could even find such a thing. And all of this just gets incredibly better with the Entrepreneur Upgrade. For $100, you get incredible value. First, the Entrepreneur Upgrade turns your profile page into a lead funnel, acquiring the best quality leads on the internet with full data. Their social networks, verified phone and text, verified email, and a contact management system that tracks data, stores dated notes, sends messaging, and calendars events, reminding actions on your Markethive calendar like callbacks, email, etc. Your upgrade also activates the 100% matching bonus from the airdrops. This can be a significant reward for those that aggressively build associates, the term used for the leads an upgraded entrepreneur profile page produces. Our first Infinity airdrop will be 500 coins, and it doesn't take a lot of effort to offer a system as powerful and valuable as the Markethive system that also rewards new members with an immediate 500 coin reward. You can easily promote this and build thousands of referrals, and that will add up to significant coins and leads. You also get an equal ILP share after 12 months of continuity with the Entrepreneur Program. This is only available for the first 1,000 Entrepreneur upgrades. What that means, likened to an ICO, your monthly payment is accrued, and if you stay current for 12 straight months, we contribute to you a full 10% ILP and continue to offer this 12-month reward for 10 years or your stop payment. This offer is limited to the first 1,000 active upgrades. Don't know what an ILP is? Check the site for the IL page that explains everything. You also get unlimited banner advertisement in all of our traffic portals and internet properties. This offer is incredibly valuable. Markethive properties are already receiving significant traffic, and as we grow, that traffic is exclusively yours as an entrepreneur upgrade. But there is more. As Markethive's ad budget grows and millions of new subscribers are acquired via Markethive advertising, your entrepreneur upgrade earns you an equal share acquisition of all the new business from Markethive's co-op advertising. This means you will receive your share of brand new referrals, receiving the matching bonus, and receiving them as your associates. If you struggle with recruiting friends and traffic, then just sit back and let us work for you. You also share in our traffic portals, the traffic they produce, the revenue, and the leads. Markethive's many traffic portals include our exchange, our web builder, our commerce system, and our news release sites. And we plan on releasing more on an ongoing basis. This one feature can produce for you a lifetime of success. We refer to them as money machines, and we share their success with you. During Markethive's crowdfunding, all entrepreneur upgrades also receive their own ILP site, assuring matching ILP shares as a reward for sending funding business to Markethive via your own personalized ICO-like site. We are all entrepreneurs, and we know the future can have the greatest potential for those who take command and aggressively build their dreams. Markethive is dedicated to your dreams and not only has spent over 20 years perfecting our system and millions of dollars, but have built this entrepreneur upgrade to accelerate your path to success.